Cheeseburger. High saturated fat increases bad LDL cholesterol, damaging heart arteries. Processed cheese contains excess sodium, raising blood pressure. Refined white bun spikes blood sugar, stressing the pancreas. Trans fats cause inflammation in blood vessels. Excess calories promote abdominal fat storage. Regular intake increases risk of heart disease. Double cheeseburger. Extremely high calories overload metabolism. High sodium strains kidneys over time. Excess saturated fat thickens artery walls. Heavy digestion stresses the liver. Raises triglyceride levels in blood. Promotes insulin resistance. Bacon burger. Processed bacon contains nitrates linked to cancer risk. High sodium damages kidney filtration. Saturated fat clogs arteries. Increases inflammation in the gut lining. Promotes weight gain. Raises risk of hypertension. Fried chicken. Deep frying creates harmful oxidized oils. Trans fats damage heart tissue. High calories overload liver fat processing. Excess salt increases blood pressure. Can increase bad cholesterol levels. Promotes visceral fat accumulation. Chicken nuggets. Often made with processed meat fillers. Fried coating adds trans fats. High sodium harms kidneys. Refined carbs spike blood sugar. Artificial additives stress the liver. Increases obesity risk in children. Ready to transform your lifestyle? Smash that subscribe button and let's crush your health goals together.